Hey guys, I just received some stuff for the Winnebago build. Yes, new stuff came in. So I went with these tires because they're exactly the same height as the one on the Winnebago. And the Winnebago is gonna have, yes, 6 tires. Yes, sir. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount these rims, which are part number, and this is the rear one, BRW 780910RW. And these are for the rear. The difference between the rear and the front is the center is a little different for the front. And the tires are the BRTR 19393. And they are the Mud Terrain Trophy Gekko compound. And they're actually 3.6. The original tires on the Winnebago were 3.66. So pretty close. We're going to go with that. And I'm going to take off this 35 turn and put in a Team Raffee 55 turn. Let's start mounting these onto here. Oh, I don't think I was recording. What the fuck? I wasn't recording. Damn. Damn. Okay. There we go. Rear, blah, blah, blah. Cut. Start over again. It's because you're making me nervous, that's why. Okay, here we go.